Leuk Today I'm going to teach you the Esper alphabet with some examples and pronunciation. This video is an updated tutorial following the changes made by the government at the end of 2020, which aims to make the language more accessible for immigrants. Additionally, this video is the first of a new series called Language and Culture of the Greater Isle of Moes. The Esper alphabet is the alphabet used in the Greater Isle of Moes to write Kanurs. Esper has neither capital letters nor accents. However, in 2020, the government introduced a new way to write Kanurs, using the so-called Latin alphabet for Kanurs Pronunciation, which makes learning pronunciation of the language a lot easier. I'll be using this method together with the Esper alphabet in this video. So on the left, there's the Esper letter, followed by its name in Kanurs, in this case, Ata. Then, there's the different accentuations possible of the letter, so either no accent, a grave accent, an acute accent, a circumflex accent, or a cairn, with the pronunciation written in the International Phonetic Alphabet. Acute or circumflex vowels are pronounced differently when placed directly after a consonant, so in this case, Ata can be pronounced A, A, Ha, Aha, Ha, Aha. On the right, there are examples of Kanurs words containing the letter in question, written in Esper, then the Latin alphabet for Kanurs pronunciation, and then their pronunciation written in the International Alphabet with their English translation. In this case, Taba, Nipaha, Kahat. Then, Beta, which is pronounced B, as in Iba. Sheta, pronounced Sh, as in Filish. Then Deta, pronounced D, as in Pedo. Eta, which can be pronounced E, E, H, He, or Ehe, as in Imper or Ber. Feta is pronounced F, as in Ferta. Geta is pronounced G, as in Fago. Heta is no longer used in Kanurs. However, it can still be used for transliteration from other languages which do use the letter H. Ita can be pronounced either I, He, or Ihi, as in Imp or Hero. Jeta is no longer used in Kanurs, however still usable in transliterations. Then Keta is pronounced K, as in cool. Leta is pronounced L, as in lieve. Meta is pronounced M, as in mek. Neta is pronounced N, as in Nim. Ota can be pronounced O, O, Ho, Oho, Ho, Oho, as in Felok, Ioke, Homi, or Gohodin. Peta is pronounced P, as in Pori. Keta is no longer used in Kanurs, however usable in transliteration. Reta is pronounced R, as in Rugel. Seta can be pronounced S or Z, as in spa or zulek. Theta is pronounced t as in terra. Uta can be pronounced u, hu, uhu, hu, uhu, as in umen, moon, uhu. Veta is pronounced v, as in viatan. Veta is no longer used in Kanurs, but can still be used in transliteration, just like yeta. Xeta is pronounced x, as in xoller. Zeta is no longer used in the Kanurs alphabet. Then there are diphthongs. Diphthongs are two-letter groups, two vowel groups. However, they are pronounced quite differently in different regions of the Greater Isle of Moes. However, the standard is to pronounce it as both vowels after each other, however pronounced longer. Some common diphthongs are oi, ei, I, oi, and ui. So, okay, this is the end of this tutorial. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video of this series about the origin of the moose heads in Moosemenistic mythology. Bye!